Hello there, busy, frazzled minds. I see you. Maybe your thoughts feel like they're going in circles, or your shoulders are tight from holding so much. I know. I've been there too. But there is a way to release it, a way to come back to stillness and calm. Stay with me here and let me show you how. Welcome to the first episode of The Art of Letting Go, a series where we explore simple art practices to help calm our mind, ease tension, and find moments of peace in our busy lives. I'm Cynthia, and I'll be your guide through this series. Here's why creating helps. When stress builds up, it doesn't just cloud the mind. It can quietly wear down our health and well-being. But a few minutes of creative practice can start to shift that. Today we're going to let go of control by tracing a mandala. Each line we trace is an opportunity to release the need to steer and simply follow where the pattern leads. If you want to trace with me, go ahead and pause this video to download the mandala from the link below. Grab some markers or colored pencils, get comfortable, and meet me back here. Or feel free to simply watch, breathe, and relax. Inside our brain, millions of cells are constantly adapting. The circuits we use often become stronger, while the ones we ignore slowly fade away. Each time we focus on something peaceful, we're training our brain to hold on to calm and let go of tension and overthinking. That's why a pattern like this is so powerful. It helps the brain shift gears, easing stress and inviting clarity. Our brains love rhythm and repetition like this because it helps us focus, and that focus gently pulls us out of stress mode. I didn't want to think about color tracing this, so I'm choosing the order of the spectrum to work my way around the pattern. First red, then orange, yellows, greens, blue, purple. Sometimes I have the urge to work more quickly or to fix a wobbly line, but that's what we're letting go of today. The need for things to look a certain way or to get it just right. It's okay to go over something that you've already traced, but it's okay to leave it alone too. Following the lines is like a conversation with our nervous system, a reminder that not everything needs to be controlled. The lines are already there. We don't need to make any decisions. Right now, within us, new neural pathways are strengthening. The ones that tell us that we are safe and okay, and the ones that remember how to rest. We're not making a perfect mandala. We're giving ourselves a calm pattern to echo. How do you feel now? I feel better already. Has your mind shifted away from words? Do you feel a little lighter or clearer? I hope you do. Tracing patterns like this help us shift our brains from stress mode to focus mode, gently relaxing the entire nervous system, which you can read more about in the free PDF linked in the description below. The PDF also includes 4 more mandalas for tracing or coloring. And if you want to build on the calm experience we created together today, check out this video. Be sure to subscribe too, so you won't miss next week's episode of The Art of Letting Go, an episode called Between the Lines, where we will let go of perfection by exploring negative space through painting some simple shapes. Until then, have a peaceful day.